So I treated all the rust on the floorboard. I actually had to cut a lot of it out. Some of it was just too far gone. I did treat it with this deox gel, which came recommended by our Can 2. I already did a video on how to cut out and make repairs on the floorboard, so I'm not going to get into that again. I had to do the same thing to the window frame, remove all the rust. I treated it with the deox gel, cut out all the bad spots, welded it up, smoothed it out, got everything all patched up good, and then I moved on to the dash. The plan was to fit this 1959 Chevy dash in here. First I had to remove the original dash, and then I had to modify the 59 down to size, and that took a lot of cutting and fitting and welding and cutting. I took this thing in and out probably 50 times before it was complete. So while all that was going on, I had Burns Upholstery in Eagle Point, Oregon fix up the bench seat, and I must say they did a fantastic job. Really impressed. So the whole project took me 5 weekends, and I worked 3-day weekends, so I was actually able to get a lot accomplished, but I didn't really have to devote my whole weekends to it. It went together a lot quicker than I thought it would. Anyway, you ready for this? Check it out. You can see I used the original speedometer in the instrument cluster. All the lights are behind that fogged glass. Had some billet aluminum knobs made. So in order to keep the heater in its original location, I had to cut this section of the dash out. And this is out of a 53 Chevy, this part right here. I just added that to kind of give it a nice flow with the heater. I'm going to put a stereo in the glove box. Got the steering wheel from Forever Sharp. And the carpet kit, I don't remember where I got that from, but I wasn't really satisfied with it. Had to do a lot of cutting and molding to get that to fit right. Still not finished with it. I have to finish the edges and everything. Gonna have Burns Upholstery do the door panels there to match the seat, and I have these billet window cranks. They're pretty nice, but I'm going to actually modify them so they have the same knobs that I had made here. Anyways, that's what I have so far. Next I gotta put the windshield in. I haven't decided if I'm going to try to do that or if I'm going to have somebody do it for me. But so that's next, and then I haven't decided what's actually going to happen next. I want to dig into the engine bay and clean that up, and it already runs really good. It looks like hell in there. There's a battery exploded in there and things. Not even going to show that to you yet. Maybe the next video. Show you what I have to do to it to get it to look this good. Anyway, all right. Thanks for tuning in. Till next time.